Hello, YouTube, and welcome to the Duck Cooking Show. Anyway, today we're gonna make pizza. Yeah. Ow. That's what you need. Ow. This floor is so slippery. I hate it. Anyway. So what you need is Play-Doh, and here it comes. It just took me out. Okay, I'm gonna go get the Play-Doh. Be right back. Got it. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your dough. It's right here. And then you're gonna get your, whatever this thing is called. I don't know what it's called because I'm not a professional baker. Anyway, we're just gonna move that stuff over here by the fridge. We're just gonna pop the top off. I can't get the top. So I'm having the giant person behind the camera do it because I can't open it. My flippers are too little. Anyway, so the giant is still trying to get it open. Hurry it up. Sorry, jeez. Found it. I mean, not found it. Got it. Okay. Oh, I hate this slippery floor. There it is. See? We're just gonna jump on it because I do awesome things. It's not working. Okay. Ow! Okay, so then you're just gonna, it's not coming out like that. You just gotta reach your flippers in and get a huge, I can't do this today, and get a huge chunk of it. It's coming out there. Oh yeah, boy. Put on there. Just kick that out of the way. I should put the lid back on, but I don't want to. Then you're just gonna squish it with your flippers that you haven't washed. I should wash my flippers. Okay, we're good. I'm so strong I can pick the table up! Oh, it's so awesome. Look at my feet. All right, and after many technical difficulties, oh my gosh, it's on my face! Oh, it's off. Oh my gosh, it's turning blue. What the heck? Why is it blue? Guys, we finally have the perfect crust. Camera, get over here and look at it. There it is, a circle, and it's flat. Take math, guys, oh my gosh. So then what you're gonna do is push in the cheese Play-Doh stuff. We're gonna have the giant human behind the camera open it because I can't and I'm weak and everything, so yeah, bye. Ugh, can't believe it's taking her so long. Excuse me? What are you doing in my studio? Sorry. I was just wondering where the bathroom is. Oh yeah, the bathroom. Oh yeah, okay. It's right here. Doesn't look like a bathroom. Well, where do you think it is? I don't know. I'm new here. Oh, great. You're working here? Yeah. I'm the director of the new TV show. Oh my gosh, just get out of my office. Okay, whatever. But where's the bathroom? It's down that way. I'm not telling you much more. Thanks. Oh, yeah. I might be the new director of your show. So, yeah, later. Bye. What? No! And finally, after 20 minutes, finally have the cheese open. So again, you're just gonna stick your hand in pretty much and grab a big thing of cheese. There we go. There's a chunk of cheese. That's a chunk. We're gonna grab more. Ow. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, there's more. There we go. We're gonna kick it off to the side. Okay, ready? Let's put it on. And once you get your cheese on, like so, we're gonna put the pepperoni on. So we're gonna come over here. And let's do this. So the person behind the camera needs to do it because I'm too little. Wait, you're recording this? You're not supposed to see a duck eating meat. Turn off the camera! Okay, for one, guys, you never saw anything. And for two, I have the pepperoni. So we're just gonna put it on there. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna push the table to you. And you gotta look at my pizza. Isn't it beautiful? I'm very proud of it. Now you just gotta stick it in your oven. There we go, okay. And then we're just gonna roll it up like so. Like a burrito. We'll still eat it. We'll feed it to Jerry. Pepperoni's falling off. But you gotta stick it back in there. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna bring it to the oven. I'm just gonna shove it in there. Okay. And after much pushing and shoving, it's finally in there. So then we're gonna shut it. It won't shut. There we go. Okay, I shut it. That's a lot of pie crust. Pizza crust. We're gonna turn on the oven. Beep. Okay. Now we just wait. It's done. Finally. So let's get it out. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, guys. Here's the pizza. Let me show you. Ow. I hate falling. I don't know why the cheese is blue. Maybe it's because I cooked it for too long. Oh well, I'm sure it's fine. It's just cheese, so. Let's eat it. That was the most amazing thing since me. Like, ugh, the cheese is like, it's like it's dripping from my mouth, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I'll see y'all later in the duck show, cooking show, whatever. Boy.